Many of you, when trying to launch the game bar using the Windows plus G shortcut or launching any game, encounter an annoying message saying, "Get an app to open this ms-gamebar link." This message simply means that the Game Bar app is missing from your device for some reason, whether due to a system update or accidental deletion. As you can see here, the app is completely missing. The solution is very simple and doesn't require downloading any suspicious external files. First, go to the Microsoft Store, open it, and in the search bar at the top, type Xbox. The official Xbox app will appear. Select it. Now click the Get or Install button to download the app. As for me, I already downloaded it, so I'll open it right away. After opening the Xbox app, go to the top left and tap your profile picture. A small menu will appear. Select Settings. From the Settings sidebar, select the Apps section. You'll see a list of add-ons and applications. Look for Game Bar. Next to it, you'll find a Download or Install button. Tap it and wait a moment for the installation to complete. Now that the download is complete, everything is ready. Let's try it out together. I'll now press the Windows key plus G on my keyboard, and as you can see, the Game Bar has reappeared with all its features. You can now easily start recording your games, monitoring your device's performance, or taking screenshots. If you found this simple explanation helpful, don't forget to support me by liking and subscribing to the channel to receive all the latest Windows and tech solutions.